Every week, exhausted parents tell us the same story. My child has been coughing for months. We've tried everything, every medication, every remedy, every doctor, and nothing works, especially after this last flu bug that was going around. Now, most people will look right at the lungs, but I want to do something different today. Let's go to the system that controls everything and talk about the nervous system. Here's what most providers miss. The vagus nerve controls the cough reflex, mucus production, airway tone, and inflammatory response. When subluxation in the upper neurospinal system compresses the vagus nerve, it creates a hypersensitive cough reflex and leaves your child stuck in sympathetic dominance or fight or flight mode. Think of it like a car alarm that won't stop going off. You could disconnect the alarm, which suppresses the signs with medication, but wouldn't you rather find out what's triggering it? That's where neurologically focused chiropractic care comes in. We remove the subluxation, restore vagus nerve function, and shift the nervous system from stress mode to balanced regulation. When the foundation is restored, the body can finally heal. Your child doesn't need more medications that only mask the signs. They need answers. Click the link in our bio or DM Crossroads Chiropractic today.